Mr. Philippe Donnet, CEO of the Generali Group, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. It is a privilege to join this event to launch a brand new partnership between the Generali Group and the United Nations Development Programme, or UNDP. It takes place as we face a climate crisis that is now widespread, rapid and intensifying. In many ways, it is our now or never moment for decisive action. Indeed, climate change is having a disproportionate impact on some of the world's most vulnerable communities. On average, the world's poorest countries lose $29 billion every year from disasters. Yet a meager 3% of these losses are covered by insurance. At the same time, the COVID-19 pandemic has stretched the thin finances of developing countries to breaking point. In short, dealing with climate change has become an extremely costly reality. At COP26 in Glasgow, the critical role of the insurance industry was highlighted in bold. It has an increasingly important role to play in protecting lives, livelihoods and assets. Indeed, better financial management of crises and shocks helps to ensure economic, political and social stability. Insurance also drives growth, freeing up resources that can be invested in crucial areas like healthcare or clean energy. At UNDP, we keenly recognize the need to leverage the unique know-how of the insurance industry. That is why, as part of our Sustainable Finance Hub, we have recently launched our Insurance and Risk Finance Facility. Already operational in more than 20 countries, the facility is working with the industry and governments to develop insurance and risk finance solutions in a minimum of 50 countries over the next 4 years. It unites UNDP's long-standing cooperation with governments across the globe to drive forward sustainable development with the insurance industry's unrivaled understanding of risk and product development. In this respect, I would like to commend Generali for its efforts to expand the role of insurance in developing markets. Active for nearly 2 centuries, Generali continues to innovate. Its groundbreaking Human Safety Net initiative, which today finds its new home in Venice, is unique within the insurance industry. At its core is a commitment to support families with children up to 6 years of age who live in vulnerable conditions. Now extending to 23 countries, the network is also promoting the integration of refugees through work and entrepreneurship initiatives. It has already supported over 200,000 at-risk people. This is a vital contribution when the world faces crises like the war in Ukraine, which is causing immense human suffering. Building on our shared commitment to leave no one behind, it is an honor to announce Generali's new partnership with UNDP. It blends Generali's insurance expertise with UNDP's long-term focus on development and financing. This partnership will provide resources for the design of digitally enabled insurance solutions that will protect vulnerable families and businesses. For instance, that means providing solutions for smallholder farmers suffering in the face of drought, defending natural capital at risk from climate change in coastal communities, or rolling out financial protection for displaced people. And recognizing that development is not sustainable unless it is risk-informed, together we will advance thought leadership on human development and social innovation. Moreover, in partnership with the Human Safety Net, UNDP will use venture philanthropy to build social entrepreneurship projects with young people and refugees. That means rolling out pioneering solutions to social, environmental and climate challenges, both chronic and acute. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the facts are irrefutable. Insurance and risk financing can save lives, drive growth, build resilient economies, accelerate progress across the global goals. And innovative networks like the Human Safety Net are unlocking the potential of people living in vulnerable circumstances so that they themselves can transform their lives as well as their families and communities. Therefore, it is fitting that this launch takes place in the historic city of Venice, the birthplace of modern finance and banking, and now with the ambition to become the world capital of sustainability. Through our joint efforts, we are hoping to shape a new history, one where everyone has a future to look forward to. Thank you.